Whether you own a sailboat or a powerboat, there's no reason why you can't spend the time to learn what everything does and where everything is. Hi, I'm Jeff Merrill. This is Offshore Cruising, preparing craft and crew. In this course, I'm going to try to give you some basic background on preparing for going offshore and then actually what you do when you're underway. So we're going to talk about navigation, we're going to talk about weather, we're going to talk about inspecting your boat, engine room checks, watch schedules, learning about your boat as it's speaking to you, are you listening, all the different elements that help you travel more safely between point A and point B. In boating, there are several F words that you need to be aware of. Fires and flooding, of course, but the one that terrifies me the most is fog. There's a lot of bad things that could happen out there. You just need to be thinking about these things and have a contingency plan so that when you do get into a bad situation, you have some common sense thinking to get you through the crisis. The more you learn about your boat, the more you learn about yourself. Enroll now and prepare yourself for your next boating adventure.